Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hard-folding tonneau covers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Real Truck Backflip MX4 hard-folding tonneau cover. This one is designed specifically for Chevy and GMC Silverado Sierra trucks from 2019 to 2025, featuring compatibility with multi-pro flex tailgates. Right off the bat, the standout feature here is its durable aluminum panels with a matte finish that not only looks sleek, but also provide protection against scratches, UV damage, and marks. It comes equipped with perimeter seals and hardware upgrades, making it reliable in harsh weather conditions. The dual-action tailgate seal is a nice touch, allowing you to operate the tailgate open or closed without compromising security or coverage. In terms of performance, the MX4 gives you 100% bed access when folded or flipped up. It even ensures visibility of the third brake light. However, at 71 pounds, it's one of the heavier options on this list, which might pose challenges during installation or removal. The build quality is solid, but the higher weight can make handling a bit cumbersome for solo users. This tonneau cover boasts excellent security with automatic latching panels that lock when the tailgate is closed, giving peace of mind for storing valuable cargo. The MX4 is ideal for truck owners who want top-tier security and a premium design. However, its weight and slightly older design, released in 2018, keep it from climbing higher on the list. Pros include robust weather resistance, sleek aesthetics, and reliable security features. Cons include the weight and the fact that it doesn't fit Carbon Pro beds. Overall, it's a fantastic option for Silverado and Sierra owners who want a stylish yet functional bed cover. Coming in at number 4 is the Tomoka 4.6 feet FRP hard-folding tonneau cover, designed exclusively for Ford Maverick models from 2022 to 2025. This cover stands out for its lightweight yet durable construction, weighing only 21 pounds, thanks to its fiberglass reinforced polymer panels. This makes installation and removal incredibly easy, especially with its no-drill clamp system. The matte black finish is not only visually appealing but also reduces light pollution at night, while offering resistance against scratches, impacts, and vibrations. Performance-wise, Tomoka takes the lead in weatherproofing. It's equipped to handle rain, snow, UV rays, and dust without compromising the cargo's safety. The latching system ensures the cover stays secure during rugged drives, and the Velcro straps on the sides add extra peace of mind. While it's not as heavy-duty as some of the others on this list, the Tomoka cover does a great job balancing affordability, functionality, and style. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for Maverick owners who don't want a cumbersome installation process. Ideal for urban and light-duty users, Tomoka's tonneau cover is a great choice for those who prioritize ease of use and modern aesthetics. Pros include its lightweight build, straightforward installation, and excellent weatherproofing. Cons include the slightly less robust build compared to heavier-duty models. All in all, this is a fantastic option for Ford Maverick owners who want a simple, reliable, and visually appealing solution. At number 3, we have another entry from Real Truck, the Backflip MX4 hard-folding tonneau cover. This time tailored specifically for the Ford F-150 lineup, including Raptor and Lightning models from 2021 to 2025. This one shares many features with its sibling product we reviewed earlier, including its durable aluminum panels with a matte finish for scratch and UV resistance. However, where this product shines is in its versatility. It allows for partial, full, or flipped-up operation without covering the third brake light. The dual-action tailgate seal also makes it easier to use the tailgate, regardless of whether the cover is open or closed. Performance-wise, the MX4 delivers in spades when it comes to security. The aluminum panels latch automatically when partially or fully closed, ensuring your cargo stays protected. It's also built to handle harsh weather conditions, providing water resistance and protection from heavy rain and snow. The MX4 weighs 54.9 pounds, making it lighter than the previous real truck model and easier to manage during installation or removal. This product is ideal for F-150 owners who want a reliable, secure, and stylish tonneau cover that doesn't skimp on bed access or weatherproofing. Pros include its excellent build quality, versatile operation, and sleek design. Cons include its higher price point and the fact that it doesn't fit Carbon Pro beds. Overall, it's a top-tier option for Ford truck owners looking for premium performance and aesthetics. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Top Tiny Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Compatible with Dodge Ram 1500 models from 2009 to 2025 with a 5-foot 7-inch bed. This cover strikes a perfect balance between style, durability, and ease of use. Its polished aluminum panels are not only visually striking but also resistant to marks, scratches, and UV damage. Premium perimeter seals provide robust weatherproofing, making it an excellent choice for truck owners who frequently face heavy rain, snow, or dust. One of Top Tiny's key features is its tailgate locking mechanism, which ensures the cover is fully secure once the tailgate is closed. Installation is remarkably simple thanks to the included clamps, making it a hassle-free process even for first-time users. At 59.9 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some other models, but this weight contributes to its sturdy build quality. Its performance in severe weather conditions is impressive, keeping your cargo dry and protected without any leaks or compromises. The Top Tiny Tonneau cover is perfect for Dodge Ram owners who want a stylish bed cover that offers robust protection and security. Pros include its polished finish, strong weatherproofing capabilities, and simple installation. Cons include its heavier build and slightly higher price point. Overall, Top Tiny is a fantastic choice for those seeking a reliable and attractive tonneau cover for their Dodge Ram 1500. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Designed for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models from 2007 to 2025 with a 5.8 feet short box. This cover stands out for its innovative use of fiberglass material, which makes it incredibly durable and resistant to wear and tear. Even hailstorms won't dent it. The sleek, aerodynamic design isn't just for looks. It also enhances fuel efficiency by reducing drag, making it a smart choice for long highway drives. Installation is a breeze thanks to its clamp-on, no-drill design, making it accessible for all skill levels. The reinforced hinges and strong latches provide added security, ensuring the cover remains closed and locked at all times. With a 4.4-star customer rating and a 60-month warranty, Whale Motor provides peace of mind and excellent customer support. At 55.6 pounds, it's lighter than most models, making handling easier without sacrificing durability. This cover is ideal for Silverado and Sierra owners who prioritize durability, security, and fuel efficiency. Pros include its robust fiberglass construction, easy installation, and aerodynamic benefits. Cons include its compatibility limitations. It won't fit Carbon Pro beds. Overall, Whale Motor delivers the best blend of performance, design, and value, earning its spot as our #1 pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.